All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency. Mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good information. Today, we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. Yeah, this coin is going to the moon, but it's really going to Mars. It's got to pass past the moon to get to Mars. So most of the coins are trying to go to the moon. This one's actually going to Mars, truthfully. Intergalactic travel, the coin was made because they wanted to make sure that there's going to be currency when we're all doing the intergalactic travel. Pretty cool thing. So we're going to dig into that. Also, Tom Brady is going to be throwing footballs today, talking about what he's getting into, cryptocurrency. We're going to cover that a little bit later too. All kinds of good news here from Frank's Crypto Corner. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal here is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, how to buy it, how to stake it, what to look for, what not to look for. I mean, there's 6,000 some coins. You want to make sure you're looking at the right thing. So we like to feature coins that are going up. Dogelon Mars, it's going to, well, not the moon, to Mars, and all kinds of good stuff. So with that, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. So right here it says Elon Musk named meme token Dogelon Mars gains 119% in the last 7 days, and it nears 1 billion market cap. That's pretty big. The market cap doubled in about, we'll show you right here. The cryptocurrency token Dogelon Mars gained 119% in the 1 week, competing with Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Elon is now listed on OKEX and crypto.com. Following that announcement, Dogelon Mars, or Elon is the ticker, spiked 119%. Holy. This is what I was talking about. Look at this. The market cap moved from 426 million to 939 million. So we're almost at a 1 billion market cap, and the market cap doubled. And it was talking right here that there was over a 4,000% gain since it opened in October. So Dogelon Mars is going to the moon and Mars. How to buy Dogelon? Well, I'm just going to talk the real simple right here. Want to skip to the straight answer? You can buy Dogelon Mars on Uniswap. Uniswap is where you can buy your Dogelon Mars. Obviously, you got to do your Ethereum. And there he is, a little Dogelon Mars right there with this little cool haircut and stuff like that. You got to love him. All right, over here, Coin Market, Dogelon Mars is at 107. The 107th cryptocurrency on the coin market cap right now. Last time we featured them, they were in the top 100. Now it's about 107. There's still the 5 zeros. All right, so right here, Dogelon Mars, it is up 11% in the last 24 hours. There's those 5 zeros, and it's 18. I just clicked the 19. So there's the 5 zeros, and it's 19. Last time we featured them, there was a 22 there, so slightly down from where it was a week or 2 weeks ago, but it is up in the last 24 hours, 13%. Dogelon Mars, so taking a look. I mean, down here, it was way down here, and it's been going up. So the coin has been up. Again, you read the article, 119% in the last 7 days. So this coin, in the last 7 days, has been going up. And it says, Dear Earth citizens, as you know, I have dedicated my life to ensuring that humanity becomes a multi-planetary species. This involves work on 4 fronts. Interplanetary flight, transforming the planets, sending settlers, and creating an interplanetary currency. I was talking about that, the currency. I'm excited to announce that today I have launched the forefront of the mission to Mars. The first interplanetary currency will be Dogelon. Technically, it is a fork of Dogecoin, the same sense that the knife is a fork and the spoon. The name is after the city, Mars's capital, Dogelon, pronounced Doge-a-lon. Dogelon Mars became the first. The ticker is ELON, E-L-O-N, which should help prevent any confusion. I'm launching this currency today in anticipation to bring the first settlers to Mars. So right here, they're bringing the first settlers to Mars. I don't know if this is made up stuff or not made up stuff, but either way, we're going to go with it. Again, all the information is for educational purposes only, so we're going to Mars. To help people take the trip with me, a lot of good people have hopes of one day reaching the moon. In my opinion, of course, this is a very low aspiration. We want to reach Mars and go beyond. However, many of those good people are rugged or buy scam tokens that can't be sold. This is the reason Dogelon community pledges to send tokens over time to victims of rugs and scams, so the worst day of their trading life can be turned into their best. And after some time, they will all begin to join us on irregular flights to Mars. Jumping over to the website. Before we go to the website, what do you think about that? We got a currency going to make it for the intergalactic travel to Mars. The whole mission is to get everybody to go to Mars. Go way past the moon. You heard that. That's low expectations to go to the moon. We want to go to Mars and beyond. Okay, so Dogelon Mars is a token that is not destined to go to the moon, everyone. It's destined to go to the Mars. Let's go ahead and head over to that website. Here we go at Dogelon's website. And here it comes, the little floating Dogelon. He just floats right onto the screen, you know, with a big old smile sitting there. Hey, Dogelon, how's it going floating around there? Well, let's click and see what it talks about. Well, it says, in the year 2420, a young Dogelon Mars was born onto a beautiful red sand of Mars, where he would live peacefully along with his family. Together, they worked hard to develop the expansion colony into a hub of technologicals that would bring prosperity to life across the galaxy. This development continued into the dreaded arrival of the Annihilators, who would chase the young Dogelon backwards through time and space, where he would find refuge on the planet Earth and begin his journey. All right, so he's on Earth. Now, what does he got to do on Earth? Dogelon knew in order to assist technology. Dogelon knew in order to assist with tech involving mankind, he would first need to establish an intergalactic currency. All right, so the currency is one of the first things. One that could be used for all people and civilizations that could integrate with the space age technology of the coming era. You know, the coming era of the space age, you know, this is all planning for when it happens. This is the coming era. Then with his friends, he made along a way, he would seek to recognize Mars' form. Then with his friends, he made along the way. He would seek to recognize Mars to transform it into a hub of prosperity that it was always meant to be. And his journey across the universe was set to begin, leave the people of Earth with the final transmission. I am Dogelon Mars. Come join me together and we'll reach the stars. All right, Dogelon. The tokenomics, 50% of the token supply was donated as a gesture of peace to VB, and the later gifted his tokens to the charity. And then 50% of the token supply was permanently locked up in Uniswap liquidity pool. On the site here, Dogelon, you got the comics. You can actually come down here and click Dogelon Mars 1. And over here, you got Dogelon Comic 1. And here it is. You can actually get it as an NFT if you wanted. Look at how interesting. Wait, are you working on today's honey? It's got the little cartoon thing. $48.45 if you want to make an offer on that. All right. Got some offers here to the right on OpenSeas. And then we got Dogelon Mars 2. This one's trading for more than $48. It's actually trading for $50. Take a look right here. You got the little comic you can get. So make an offer if you want for comic number 2. If you click the metrics, there he is floating in front of us, Dogelon. So the 24-hour trading volume's on here, the current price. It's got the 5 zeros. Take a look. There's the 5 zeros, and it's 18,900. It's got the contract address. It's ranked number 122 right this second. It's got the market cap. It actually has it at 1 billion right here. The circulation supply. Pretty interesting, Dogelon. Jumping over here, Dogelon Mars crypto prices surges 80% as Elon's token joins the Meebe frenzy. Take a look at this. It says the pup race is getting larger in the scope of the week. So there's all these different coins that are pup races. So it's talking about Dogelon here. One of the newest coins, or certainly one of the highest surging in the recent days, Dogelon Mars. It's a space-themed canine crypto pup thing. It's fascinated with the SpaceX of Elon Musk, and the recent gains are proving to be worthwhile. The Dogelon crypto is one of the biggest gainers of the day. So they also talk about Dogecoin right here, how Dogecoin is up. They talk about Shiba Inu up right here. So you're hearing Shiba, Floki, Inu. We just had a video the other day about Floki. So Floki's up, Shibu's up, Dogecoin is up. But the biggest of them all is the Dogelon Mars. So what's my price prediction? Well, again, if this coin's going to go to the moon and then goes to Mars, remember, all the information is for educational purposes only. So there's 5 zeros. I think it's going to crush a 4th zero, and it's eventually going to crush a 3 zero. I just don't know when. But there's a lot of people talking about this. It's all in the news. Everybody's hearing about it. It's now listed with Shiba. It's talked about when people are talking about Shiba Inu and Dogecoin and Floki's Inu. Now all of a sudden you're hearing about Dogelon Mars. So that's a good company. It's talking about all these dog memeing coins. So yeah, I think it's going to keep going up and stuff. I don't think Elon Musk is going to anytime soon stop tweeting pictures of his dog and all this other stuff. So all kinds of good stuff. Not going to the moon, going to Mars. Well, let's go ahead and jump over to Tom Brady. He's going to be pumping cryptocurrency today for all of us. Let's see what he's talking about.
Can I talk to you about something?
Yeah, we talked about it. I got another 10 years left. Maybe 15.
Not that. This is big. What do you think? Are you in?
You know what? I'm in. Let's call everyone.
Hang on a minute. How dare you call this number? Okay, I'm in. Whatever.
Who was that?
That was my mom.
Hey, Donut, don't eat that.
Yo, what's up? Yeah, I'm in.
Yeah, sounds good. I'm in.
I'm in. Hey, Arthur, I quit.
I'm in.
T-Bone, is it the downstairs toilet again?
Hello, Tom. Dogecoin? Sue, Mark.
Are you in? I'm in.
I'm in.
I'm in. All right, this last one might be tough.
Nah, he loves you.
Probably just getting another dentist. This guy. First, even if you wanted to come back, we wouldn't take you.
Yes, you would.
Yeah, we would.
You're right, we would. What's up?
I'm getting into crypto. With FTX. You in?
We're providing gives 360-degree access to the crypto markets with the ability to trade everything from alts to DeFi. I believe I'm in, but still hate you.
Understood.
Take care. Best of the family.
Is he in?
Yep,
Did he say he hates you?
he did.
Even on the phone, that guy sounds handsome.
So yeah, today being Sunday, every market, St. Louis, Kansas City, Florida, Cincinnati, Buffalo, Seattle, San Francisco, Oakland, every single market, Las Vegas is going to be talking about Tom Brady getting into something. Tom Brady doing the trade. There's a trade. No, he's trading the ball for the Bitcoin that he gave to the fan. So that fan that caught that 600 touchdown, they end up doing a trade on Monday Night Football. He was talking about that he's going to give him a Bitcoin. So on Monday Night Football, he's talking about giving to the Manning brothers how he's giving a Bitcoin to the fan. So now we got celebrities giving Bitcoins out on Monday Night Football. Sunday night, they're going to talk about it. Everybody's pumping the cryptocurrency. You're all in the right place at the right time. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Share this video with a friend. We're trying to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency. BlockFi credit card, you can actually get your rewards back in Bitcoin, which is kind of interesting. Don't forget to click right here so you see our most recent video. Today being Sunday, let's have an awesome day. Tom's going to pump it all day long about cryptocurrency, and we'll see all you guys on the cryptocurrency.